An alert just hit your screen. Is that a drone or a plane? You've got seconds to find out. This is AirGuard with its built-in ADS-B integration. Before, this meant switching between screens, cross-checking drones against manned aircraft systems, and hoping you didn't miss anything. Now it's all right there, manned aircraft and drone activity on the same map, updating live. Click on any aircraft and you get the altitude, speed, type, everything you need without leaving the screen. The alerts are now competently resolved in seconds. And if you need to look back, the records page gives you the full picture: start time, end time, origin, destination, manufacturer, all of it. One screen instead of two. No more mental math, and when an incident happens, you've already got the evidence you need. See it in action today.